Robot never need money. Robot never need to sleep.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Isa. In today's video, we are going to visit Canton Fair together, and today's video we are going to see the interesting products together. If you have any questions about any product, you can tell me through the LinkedIn or WhatsApp. So let's go. I'm literally squeezed in the middle of this crowd just to get footage of this bot. This robot went viral after dancing on Chinese Spring Festival Gala, showing off just how agile and precise its joint movements are. It stands about 4.3 feet tall and weighs around 35 kilograms. And here comes the Go1 robot dog. The Go1 robot can climb stairs easily and even walk smoothly over rocky paths. It doesn't just go upstairs the normal way. It can even walk up backwards or move sideways while going up and down.
You never need to pay salary. Next 10 years, the work for you. You go to sleep. You go to shopping. You go to with your girlfriend. Everything, everyone. The robot will do it. And if we connect with your phone, any picture, any word, any name, any slogan can be printed. We not only bring the new technology, the new product, the new equipment, but also we bring the new business model. We bring the new lifestyle to human beings. The magic power for robot coffee shop. It's the next 10 years most successful business model. Price? Yeah, no price.
No price.
Robot never need money. Robot never need to sleep.
1,000 pieces.
Pardon?
I want 1,000 pieces.
1,000 pieces. 1,000 pieces. Yeah, you have 1,000 shops and 1,000 robot is your employee.
What's the price?
This one is 10 years life. Inside is Swiss parts, Germany parts, Italy parts, and China parts is top quality level parts inside. So the flavor, the taste is the same as Starbucks coffee, Peace coffee, Kim's coffee, and Costa coffee. It's the same level. Oh, it's 40,000 USD, and the robot coffee shop 50,000 USD. This 40.
What's MOQ?
This for 50.
MOQ?
FOB. But we will send our engineer go to your country, help you to training, set up, install in 1 week.
But I'm saying, what's the M of the minimum order quantity?
Okay.
使用场景是查询膜、森林防火。
这种续航是多久
47分钟。
充电的话呢？
充电的话，就是在这里面可以给它自动充电，而且可以自动更换电池。这里面有4个电池，就相当于这个飞机飞出去巡检完之后，当电池没电了，落在这里1分钟之内给它再换一个新的电池上去，而且是全自。
是怎么自动换电池？
有个那个机械臂，自动的一个机械臂抓取，自动更换，不用人手动去操作的。森林防火还有消防应急，自动识别那个烟火烟雾。
然后有喷水对吧？
喷水它这个没有，它不是灭火的，它只是巡查发现问题，解决问题了又有另外的无人机去解决。
发现问题，
就是它摄像端可以搭载那种 A 识别算法，有一些算法识别可以自动识别烟火烟雾。
快举起手来和我握手吧。
Okay.
Yes.
Recently, it's an orthopedic surgery robot.
Yeah.
From there, you can see the system contains the 3 parts. Okay, left hand side is the navigation to recognize each position movement, every kind of movement that I mentioned. Okay, during the operation. And the middle part is a robotic arm to do exactly what part should be cut, should be replaced from that. Okay. And if the surgeon would like to change something, the robot will do on time change over there. And the computer over there is to keep that important data from the CT scan. And then if the doctor would like to change something, we will change from the database. Okay, and then to tell what's the outcome, what will happen after the replacement over there. Okay. So this system working together to help the surgeons do the surgery faster, safer, precise, because we're talking about that 0.1 millimeter. How can you recognize by your eyes 0.1? To mention about 0.1, 3 millimeter, we cannot recognize, okay?
Yeah.
And including those 1 degree difference from the angle, okay? So the robot will help the surgeons to finish precisely. And of course, recently in China, about 10% of the surgery was done by the robot assist.
How many percent?
10%. 10%. And in European country, up to 70%. So this is a new trend to develop this kind of from 10% to 70%.
Yeah.
Okay.
So which country you are mainly exporting to?
Recently, we're expanding to China mainland and Hong Kong. We're expanding to Asian countries, including Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, European country. And of course, we're doing the same for Kazakhstan, Colombia.
We have delivery robots and cleaning robots.
This is the cleaning robot.
They're automatic charging and manual charging. Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is a tool inside that will go outside automatic. And this is water filling instrument, automatic and manual. You can choose one.
Okay.
This is 150 liter trash bin. The trash bin will lift up and dump the garbage into the trash bin. We have customers in Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Vietnam.
Yeah. So here there is a window cleaning robot from all clean within 30 meters. It's need to connect to something like this. But this one has no length limit over here. This one.
你嗰邊問咯。
你問個後生仔。
在。
So you need to talk to him and you need to say 你好李店，你好李店，你好李店。
你好，嗨，朋友，有什么有趣的事儿想和我分享吗？
我们可以握手吗？
当然可以，让我们握个手吧。
你能干什么？
我能聊天，做高难度动作，还会导航决策，能在工业、科研等场景干活，双臂能扛12公斤，单臂举5公斤。
你可以比耶吗？
当然可以。这是我的耶，比耶动作，想象一个机器人比耶的画面。
This parcel sorting system helps logistic companies save space and labor while boosting efficiency. It can sort up to 3,000 packages per hour.
So we are end of the video. Next video will be also about the Canton Fair, but we will see the different products from different categories. Also from my channel you can see other videos from different exhibitions. If you are interested in sourcing from China, remember to subscribe my channel. So if you have any questions about any products that you see inside my video, you can feel free to contact me from LinkedIn or WhatsApp. This is Aisa. I have been in China for more than 10 years and I'm completely fluent in Chinese. If you have any questions about buying from China, feel free to contact me. Bye bye.